In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a church flyer using Adobe Photoshop. So if you're all there, thanks, and if you're new here, please kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Without any further ado, let's get started. Then go to File, select New, then select Print, go to A5 paper size, change it to inches, and your resolution should be 300. Then come over to Grade. So this is our working area. Then go to your pen tool to select it and make sure it is shape 2. Now, then come to your text document to copy this hex code. So these are the code. All right. Then come over here to click on it and we are going to paste it here. All right. So now we are going to make our draw now. So make sure that you hold your control key if you want to apply changes, like turning it the way you are seeing it. So you have to hold your control key while doing that. Then end the point here. So let's position it around here. Okay. Then we are going to create another one. Select your pen tool again. So just like I said, if you want to make any change, then make sure that you hold your control key. So, and that control key you hold, then we change the pen tool to selection tool. So right now we are done with that. Then drop your pen tool and change the color of this one to any color, because we are going to then make a change to that shape there. So the next thing, so this is the selection tool I'm talking about. Now we want to adjust here. So when you select that selection tool, then you can now make your adjustment. Then use your arrow key then to bring this one down and position this one, adjust it. Then also your arrow key then to adjust this one down, because you want the shape to align together as equal. Okay, so we are going to leave it this way. So now we are going to rasterize this one and select your marquee tool, and we are going to make a cut. You will right click, then cut the layer, then come back to the first layer. Also draw the area you would like to cut, then I'll make a cut. So this cut you are doing here is to then duplicate it by splitting it. All right, so now that you have split it, and these are the images we are going to clip in that area. So we are going to make use of this one, then take it up, because we want to apply this one on the first um, shape there. then create a clipping mask. So now you need to reposition it like this is okay. Then change it to luminosity, that is to apply black and white. So I'm going to be fast here since you have seen the first step. So that is all. Now we are going to group this one. Now this is the background we are going to use. Then scale it out. All right. Then the next, go to filter a blur, Gaussian blur. Then make use of this number 7.8 ratio. Then change it to black and white. Then also we are going to make use of this image. So drag it up and scale it down. Take it up. So okay, like this. Then change the blending mode to soft light and the opacity reduce it to 38 pixels or 38% as anyone. All right, so after that, then we are going to bring this one, then scale it out, then bring it down. So apply your Gaussian blur, then 18.0, that is okay. So the next, we are going to import this one, then you scale it out, then bring it down this way. So change the blend mode to screen. Now go to filter blur and Gaussian blur, then make it 11.1 ratio. All right, so this is the church logo we are going to use. Then rasterize it. So select your magic tool and delete. So we are going to make use of it this way. So position it where you want it to be. So now we are going to apply a drop shadow. Then make use of this setting because we want the logo to come out. Then the next, we are going to copy the church name. Select the text tool then Ctrl V to paste. Now we are going to select this one and cut it. Ctrl X to cut it. Then increase the size of this one. Go back to your text tool and change the font color to black. Then make the text bold. And this one we are going to paste it. So remember we cut this one earlier. Then make the text bold. Reduce the font size. Align it together. Okay. So the next, hold your shift key. Then we are going to select the two texts and bring it down this way. Then group this one, select all, then apply center alignment, then go back and deselect the line there. So the next, go back to your text and we are going to make a copy of this one. Ctrl V to paste. Then change the color so that we can see it and know what we are going to do on it. Then and the font we are going to use here is Open Sans. So make use of extra bold. Then increase the font size. Right, so we need to remove the cap. So it's okay like this. So the next one now, then we need to compress it, and now we are going to cut this one out, then duplicate it, bring this one down. So we are going to paste it. Now take it back over here. So we change the location. So this is not how it is before. So we need to take that one up, and this one we are going to remove it. Then space, this space is too small, so we need to add another space. All right, then go to your resource file and then import this one here. So you are going to use this one to replace the letter A we remove. Then select your magic tool, click on this one and delete it. All right, so then as you can see there is a white here. We need to remove that, so click on it and delete it. Ctrl D to deselect the line over there. So we are going to leave the rest. So now we are going to create a gradient overlay on this text. So here are the code we use. So keep it, and the second one is the code here, so can write it down. So now select this one. So we are not going to use one gradient again. So what we're going to do, we're going to copy the color from here so that it will be in line with that color. So on this one, we are going to create a color overlay, and we are going to use a color related to this area, so that they will match together. Something like this, okay, right? And the next, we are going to make a copy of this one. Control C to copy. Then select your text tool or use the shortcut key T on your keyboard. And the font here, use the Cherries Black font. Then remove the character spacing, and the font, change it to white. Then increase the font size and bring it and position it around there. We need to bring this one down a little so that we can place our text properly. It's okay like this. All right, so the next one, then we are going back to our result text document to make a copy of this one. Then select your text tool or you press T on your keyboard. Then change the font to Open Sans and make it bold, or you use the one we used earlier, extra bold. Then take it over here and increase the font size. Then the character spacing, we need to compress it minus 80%. I think that's okay. All right, so the next, now then we need to apply the gradient color we use. So this is the same gradient color. And this is the location. Then select your rectangle tool, create a rectangle. Then we are going to apply a gradient color. Then from here we are going to choose this color here, dark red and a little light red. All right, so you follow up the settings, then after that, then you click OK to apply it. The next, import the icon for location and reduce the size. Then Ctrl U for hue and saturation. Drag this one over here to apply white background color. Then our text, we are going to paste it. Then before then, make use of Raleway fonts and then select the bold one. Then Ctrl V to paste. The character spacing, we need to remove it to 0%. Okay, so we are through with this one. So what you're going to do next, then we need to duplicate that one, then take it up, then bring it over here, then hold your shift key while you reduce the size. And the gradient overlay, then we also need to change it. Then go to your gradient overlay, drag it down, and we are going to make use of this one. Then over here is the color code, take note of it. And this one, light red, so you take note of it. The angle is 0%. Same to the other one. Right, so it will be okay, and we need to reduce the size, I think. And this is our date. Ctrl V to paste. The font, use the font Open Sans. Minus 40%. Okay, 60% is okay. Then make a duplicate of it. Then make a copy of this one. Select your text tool, Ctrl A to highlight and Ctrl V to paste. Now reduce the font size. Okay, so we are done with that one. Then we need to increase the size. Hold your shift key, then including this one, and group it. Ctrl G to group. So this is our date. So I type time over there, so but this is our date. So we're going to position this one around here, then scale it to align it equally. So okay, like this. So the next, hold your Control key while you click on this layer. Now go to select and go to modify, expand. then expand by 6 pixels and click OK. So the next we are going to select the rent angle, which is this one. Then select your eraser tool, click on it, yes. Then erase the particular area you select. Then go back and deselect. So I'm going to change the color. Select your gradient here, then scroll down and make use of this one. Click OK to apply. So reduce it. Ctrl U for hue and saturation. Then apply white color. Ctrl C to copy. Then duplicate this one. Ctrl J to duplicate, so you drag it over here to duplicate. Then drag it to the top. Yeah. So you bring it over here, select your text tool, then Ctrl A to select all, then Ctrl V to paste. The next, then we are going to reduce the font size. Then let's increase the size. So okay, like this. And the last one, then make a copy of this one. Let's select your text tool, Ctrl V to paste. Then remove the character spacing by 0%. And this is the font we are going to use, Autography. Ctrl V to paste. Then you click OK to apply. Increase the size. Ctrl A to select all, apply vertical alignment, and then you deselect. So zoom it in to see the outcome of it. Okay, so we are going to increase the font size. So after that, select your rectangle and we are going to create a shape here. So the white color is okay. All right, then make a duplicate of this one. Then place it this way. Then hold the tool and drag it up to increase the size this way. Okay, then we are going to adjust this one. So like this. Use your arrow key then to align it. Then this one we are going to apply color from here. No, so we need to change color from the text here. Okay, this is okay. Then hold your control key while you click on the layer. Now we are going to erase part of this one. Select your eraser tool, yes, then erase this particular area. Right, then turn this one on. Okay, then we are going to use our arrow key then to give it an open space this way. So okay, and I'm going to select this one and make a duplicate. Ctrl J to duplicate, or you drag it over there to duplicate it. And this one, then take it around here. Then it's at the top. So what we are going to do, we are going to drag it down below so that it will go behind that shape there. All right, and this one we are going to reduce the opacity. Then go to opacity and reduce the opacity to backspace to 70%. Then also this one, hold your shift key while you select the second one and make it 70%. All right, it's okay like this. So guys, that is the end of the tutorial. Thank you so much for following. If you like this video, don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe for more video. Thank you so much for watching.